and I was consistent at buying real estate and renting them out to the government. 5 years ago, I never would have thought it would have been there, right? I didn't even know. Like I knew, I actually made a post and said that I would build a multi-million-dollar company, real estate company, but I didn't know how I was going to do it, right? I didn't even worry about how. I just put it out there in the atmosphere. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a multi-million-dollar real estate company. I just said it. It was like 6 years ago. I posted that on Instagram. And I did it. Was it easy? No. Was it worth it? Yes. Would I do it again? Yes. Would I do something different? Yes. Because I learned like along the way, right? So yeah, I would do things different. Want to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Comment business to start your own journey.